Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by securing data and reducing variables. Back up essential files, then go to Settings App System UI, force stop, and clear cache to remove temporary corruption. Once done, reboot normally. If System UI still crashes immediately, boot into safe mode to disable all third-party apps and test core system stability. This narrows the cause quickly and prevents repeated interruptions while you apply deeper fixes. With third-party interference ruled out, reset app preferences to restore disabled services and clear default handlers. This fixes misrouted UI calls. Make sure to install any pending Android updates and security patches because vendor fixes often resolve system UI bugs. If the problem persists, uninstall recent apps or updates identified in safe mode. Finally, boot to recovery and wipe the cache partition. If earlier steps fail, perform a factory reset after confirming your backup. This returns the device to a clean state and removes deep software corruption. When reset does not help, reflash the stock firmware using the manufacturer's recovery or official tools to replace damaged system files. Make sure to keep the battery above 50% during flashing. Troubleshooting tip: capture a logcat or take screenshots of errors. This information is critical if you contact support or a repair center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.